What is it, Mal?
It says Ball Ruby's Bubble and Mermaid.
You gonna play with that in the bathtub? All right. What else? What else do you have? Can you open up the last one?
Mommy, you forgot the weed.
Hey,
I forgot the what?
Weed.
we sitting over here watching Mallory open her present.
Oh, to write it down? I remember.
You did?
I remember what we got you.
Okay.
You have to open it and see.
It's a box.
Daddy and Micah.
Okay. We're gonna be leaving. About
Abby.
15 minutes, but still, y'all gonna get there before we do.
Stream close up of Pokemon.
What is that street you turn off of the bypass? Going there. Yeah. What?
Yep.
Woodley Road.
Can Abby? I bet Abby can help you take
I'll call you
the
when
lid off.
when we get down there.
There's no tape on there.
Oh, we might meet you there. I just come on out and bring them out to the house. I think and get Woodley Road. I think that's probably might find a house, but it's a pretty good ways out there, ain't it?
And you have 2 extra diamonds on.
No, I have one.
Okay.
No, you have one.
Hey, I'm gonna make
4 or 5 miles, boy.
What is it, Mallory? Oh my goodness!
All right, well,
And a crown.
It's not a crown.
okay.
What is it?
All right. What you got there?
What is it?
Earrings and a necklace.
And the amulet, right?
You see me?
And
You
I
can really
wear
dress
dresses
up now.
Like this. I can wear dresses.
Yes. And I think when you get a little bit older, it can turn into a ballerina tutu. See on the back? Look on the back of it. See the tutu?
You have one.
Down a little bit lower. Yeah.
The only thing I have is just.
You like it?
Yeah. I just love these.
Have you had a good birthday party?
Uh-huh.
How old are you?
3.
How old will you be tomorrow?
4.
Very good. Very good.